Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to an unboxing episode. And I've been looking forward to getting this watch in for a while now. This is another pass around watch, but I believe this belongs to my buddy Amin over at Amin Reviews, and I'll put a link to his channel in the description. And yes, this is the Swatch System Bau. Very, very cool looking watch. I am a product of the 1980s, meaning I grew up most of my teen years, I should say, in the 1980s. And stuff like this, like the G-Shock Square, Swatch watches, I'm going to put this on, really, really remind me of those days, and how much I do miss them. Having a little trouble getting the watch on, as I always do in the most opportune moments or worst timing, however you want to look at it. But there you go. Wow, this is awesome. Super, super light. Now, this is an automatic watch. It's not a quartz watch. Let's take a look at that. I'll give you guys a quick little look-see in the back. Now, you can't, it's one of these things where it's sealed in, this movement, right? So you can't go in there and fix it. If something happens to it, when it's done, it's done. But what a cool looking watch and case back. Very, very cool. I can hear Pac-Man in the arcade in the background now, and Big League Chew, and all those kind of things that reminds me of the 1980s. Awesome. Anyway, guys, I'll be doing a video on this shortly for a review. Look forward to it, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.